Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
And it is day one of 120 days around the USA in our RV.
Yay. Well, we're actually going to take a little stop in the middle of that. We're going to leave from Florida on a cruise ship, go to Panama City, Panama, and then fly back to Florida.
You got to do a cruise.
Yeah, and you have to watch to find out what we're going to be up to.
Oh my gosh, we're going to see a lot of things. Stay tuned and get ready to drive across the country.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Let's go.
Okay.
I'm Shauna.
I'm Shirley.
I'm Dick.
And these are my close friends that we've come back to see in Palm Desert, California.
And we're at Sherman's, which is a fabulous deli.
Yep, our favorite deli. Try the arugula.
That's right.